Hey guys, Elliot here for Worldwide Auctioneers, and we've got a special one for you today. Right now, I'm driving one of the premium offerings we have at our upcoming 55th annual Auburn auction. This is a 1985 Lamborghini Countach 5000S. And not only is it an S, this is one of the rare fuel-injected models. Most of these cars were carbureted, but this is one of just 19 fuel-injected cars brought into the US. And you might think, well, why does that matter? Well, it greatly improves reliability, and you don't have to tinker with a bunch of different carburetors. It makes these cars much more drivable, and that's what you want in a car like this. You want to be able to just get in it and drive it without messing with it. Well, that is what makes this Countach so desirable, other than the fact that it's a Countach. So you've got your red OZ Campagnolo wheels, this beautiful red exterior. Of course, you got the scissor doors, but let's not forget that V12 singing behind you, making over 400 horsepower. This was the fastest car you could buy at the time, and boy, does it still make a statement. Now, this is a special car, it's a unique car, and it's only available at our upcoming Worldwide Auctioneers 55th Auburn auction right here in Auburn, Indiana. Remember, you can always bid on the phone, bid online, but trust me, to see Italian artwork like this, you're gonna wanna be here in Auburn, Indiana. We'll see you this Labor Day weekend. Now, let's listen to that V12 a little bit.